Hello guys, welcome to 3D Home, and in today's tutorial I'll be showing you guys something very important. Okay, I want to show you guys how to model pathway. From what we have here, you can see we have side, and then we have two buildings. But I want us to model something that will come out very beautiful on this particular environment. So let's create a pathway that will walk through from here, that will move through from here to this other side. Just kind of beautiful pathway to spicing the environment. So let's do that together. Right, so the first thing is know the material you use in modeling the site. Okay, from this particular one we use slab 2 for the site. We use slab 2 for the site. And then now for us to be able to open this space up, we still need to use that particular tool, the one we use to create this particular one. Right. So click on the site. Once you click on the site, you will see from the material you see that we have slab. Okay, slab is highlighted on this setting dialogs. So make sure you click on this particular slab tool. Okay, click on it once. And now let's draw something amazing. What we're actually doing now is we are trying to open up this space. We're trying to open up this space. Okay, we're trying to open up this space. I'm just showing us this method so that with this you can decide to model any other design of your choice. Okay, so we have an open space now. So from this open space we need to fill it up with grass. Okay, we need to fill it up with grass. So what we need to do now is click on slab. We'll be using slab again, and then this time around we're changing the material from concrete to we're changing from concrete to grass. Okay, to grass. So now click on grass. Please don't mind me on smiling. Something is happening on the background. So now we have our grass um, material. Now we have our grass material on this particular pathway. And then if you feel like you want to divide this place into two, let's quickly do that together. Okay, I think that would be nice. Shift this one, create a node here, pick this first one, and then click it here, and pick the second one from here to this other point. Let's drag this one inward. You can do that by clicking on this one and then bringing it back to this side. Let's see if we can click it directly, or just pick another node. It will be easier actually. Bring it all the way to this side, but this is not straight actually. Let's take this one backward a little. Yep. And then for this other side, let's pick another one from here to this point. Okay, all right. From the side now we can do the same thing by picking another node from here to this point. Okay, and then pick another one from that point to this side, and now we can drag in this one to this other point. So now it's covered. All right, so the next thing I want us to do is let's create a beautiful, let's say a beautiful beautiful material, kind of pedestal way. So let's click on the same material, but this time around, let's use wall tool. Okay, and from the setting determine the thickness of that road. Okay, I actually use 1 meter for this particular one, but you can change it based on what you want actually. So 1 meter is still not bad, but let's make it 900. I think 900 will be fine. And then for the material, you can select the material of your choice here. Let's see, brick. I like going with brick for this particular one, and then click OK. Let me show you something, how you can easily activate this in a short while. Hold down your spacebar button, alright, and then click on this line. You can see we have that thing all the way. Okay, but we need to reduce the thickness of this particular one. Make sure you click on everything and then reduce the thickness, the height rather, reduce the height. This is 364, so we can just make it 10. 10 is cool. Okay, still maintaining the surface. So you can see what we have here now within a short period of time. So let's do the same thing at this other side. We are still under that particular material, which is the wall material. Press and hold down your spacebar button. Okay, and then click on this point. Now double click on everything that is here. Select everything that is here and then reduce it to 10 under the thickness, under the height rather. and click. So you can see we have this beautiful design in the middle of this compound. Okay, so this is how to model your pedestrian way. Okay, this is how to model your pedestrian way, and with this same method you can model your highway. Okay, you can model your highway. Let's say you want to design a highway here. Okay, access road. You can use the same method to have your access road at the middle, your asphalt at the middle, and then create footpath by the side. Okay, still using the same method. All right, so we'll be stopping today. We'll be stopping here today, and if you find the video helpful, please do well to subscribe, and if you have any question, drop it on the comment section. I'll do it to attend to you guys. All right, so see you on our next tutorial. Thank you.